This video will demonstrate some of the flexibility of a functional docking station and how it can be used to do almost any type of custom functional application. The first feature of a docking station is the vertical travel overclamp. The two advantages of vertical travel is that it creates the highest level of topside probe to pad contact accuracy for any double-sided test application. But equally important, vertical travel is the best solution used to minimize stress to the components on a circuit board during its test cycle. The advantage of using cassettes with a docking station is that all single and double-sided boards are tested to the same high level of quality. You typically don't see this done with single-sided traditional test fixtures because vertical travel is an expensive option that companies generally won't quote. The second feature of the system is that all docking stations can perform a test cycle in two ways, both manually and pneumatically. A third direction is where a test cycle can be done electrically through programmed test files, the same way that all in-circuit test systems work. Two more features built into the docking station are a cassette lock and a twist handle that connects the docking station interface to a cassette. Both the lock and twist handle are connected to LEDs that show the cassette is ready to go. One more feature built into the docking station is a Z-travel or airline flow control valves that allow an operator to fine-tune the performance of a test cycle when pneumatics is in use. Just to mention one more thing about the pneumatics option, not a single company that we have shipped systems to had any interest in it at all, but we did it anyway. We did this to show the flexibility and versatility of the docking station. The feedback that we received from these companies was that they were extremely pleased with the option, and it is now a requirement. The real flexibility of a docking station is its interface. What it does is create the conditions that the same docking station can work with almost any test equipment. Any test system that uses Mac or Virginia panels or ICT platforms like Z1800s, test stations, and Spectrums can all be directly wired to a docking station interface. This now creates the condition that a low-cost cassette can replace a dedicated fixture for a fraction of the cost. The most popular direction the same docking station is being used for is that the same base can accommodate multiple cassettes doing completely different tests. The goal is to connect multiple resources to the same interfaces with the intentions of never repeating the same application twice. It's a direction of thinking outside the box where a cassette only connects to the resources it needs to perform the test you want. The last direction of docking stations is that they can also be used to make dedicated fixtures. With all of the flexibility we have incorporated into the docking station, you can create within your own company a combination of test requirements that you may have. This is why the Game Changer is a truly universal and cost-effective test solution.